Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly AI for professional document editing. So here is the step-by-step guide. I will just tell you, just simply sign up and install the Grammarly application and create the account which is free or premium. So after when you just log in, you will just upload or create a document. So I will just continue with my draft document editing, and when it's load, so simply you will just set a goal right over here. You will just tap to right over here, set a goal. So in there, if your audience has been a journal, so you will just select the journal. The journal means that easy for anyone to read with a minimal effort. And if your audience has been expert, so you will just choose the expert. So expert means that may require rereading to understand. So if your formality or informal or natural, so you will just select it both from it. So you will just leave this domain option, because when you just purchase the plan, then you will be able to use these options of domain. You will just forget it, and in free version you will just choose just show your audience, like inform, describe, convince, and tell a story. So you will just select it from here. Number one is that the editing in document, and after next you will just if you want to just suggestions from here to edit your document professionally, you will just tab on review suggestions. But right now I don't have any option to use it because it is in subscription. So after buying subscription you will be able to use it. So right now, if I just tab on it, write a generative AI, so it is free. So if you want to some have some changes in this document, so you will just tab on it, improve it, and it will recreating the all document for you. So that's it. So in this way you can just use Grammarly AI for professional document editing. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.